Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're dealing with a very basic simple interest question. So let's get into it. Calculate how much interest Mr. Jones owed if he borrowed 10,000 Rand at 15% per annum, simple interest for a period of 3 years. Now I'm going to do this with you the way you would in a test if you were a little bit limited on the number of formulas that you remembered. So remember, the most important formula for simple interest is this one. So we'd say A, which is our accumulated amount, so the amount at the end, is equal to our principal amount, which is the amount we start with, times 1 plus I, which is our interest rate, times N, which is the number of years or the number of periods that we're going to put that money into the bank for. So the very first thing we need to do is subs in the numbers that we know or have been given to us. So the one that we've been given is 10,000 Rand. We've been given 15% per annum and for a period of 3 years. So we know that then our principal amount is the 10,000 Rand. 1 plus stays the same. I is going to be 15%. So remember, we represent that as 15 over 100. Okay, because it's 15 parts of 100. That is what 15% means. And we multiply that by 3 years because it's 3 full years. Right, we can then put that into our calculator. And remember to put that into your calculator the way it's written out. And you need to follow BODMAS rules here as well, guys. So brackets first, multiplication before addition as well. Right, so I'm going to pop that into my calculator nice and quickly. This should give you a sense of how long it should take you to put it into your calculator. And that gives us a total answer of 14,500 Rand. Now the thing is, guys, they haven't asked us what the total amount paid at the end of the period would be. They've asked us specifically how much interest Mr. Jones owed. Now remember, interest is the amount that is extra that he has to pay. So if Mr. Jones originally borrowed 10,000 Rand and he eventually paid back 14,500 Rand, what would the total interest be? So we would know that the total interest would simply be 14,500 Rand minus the original amount that he borrowed, which was 10,000 Rand. So we know that the total interest would be an amount of 4,500 Rand. So I'm going to write that in over here, 4,500 Rand. So that would be the total interest, the total amount of extra money he had to pay as a result of borrowing from a bank that charged him 15% per year. That's all from me, guys. Hope that question helped. You'll definitely get something like this in your tests and exams. So be sure to understand it because it's an easy 3 or 4 marks in most cases. Before I go, I just want to make a very special thank you to our sponsor. You'll find out more about them in the description below. And other than that, guys, if you're keen for more videos like this, visit our website and see what we've got. If we haven't answered your question yet, remember you can send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.